All right, so today we're at Dukes Creek Falls in Georgia, by Helen, Georgia. It's about a mile down the trail to get to the waterfalls and a mile back up. And so we're going to do that here and show you what we see. All right, so I showed you the bathrooms, which are available today. Perfect. There's the valley. And we're going to head down this direction for a mile or so till we get to the waterfall. So we're only about 1 minute from the parking lot. And we can already look down and see the falls. You can see a lot of debris here on the trail, and I think we're actually pretty lucky it's open today. Last week we had a lot of ice and a lot of snow up here, and even the road coming in here today, you can tell it's been cleared out pretty heavily, and the road crews are actually still working. So I think we're actually lucky to be on this trail today, even getting here on the main road. But they are open, and the trail is open, but a lot of debris is still hanging around. So we're just hanging left down to the falls. Just want to share with you that there is some ice. This is the only spot we've seen so far, but a little bit of ice on the trail, easily avoidable. The bonus here is we get to walk along the creek the whole way. So I wasn't aware of that before I got here. So you can hear the stream running the entire hike today, and we're not that far from the falls already. This is a result of the ice storm we had a week or so ago. So this little platform is inaccessible, but there is one down below we're going to go to next. But that's as far as we could go. But it looks like a tree fell on here, and they're out here cleaning and working. just going to leave the platform now. I've lived here a long time. This is one of the better waterfalls I've ever been to. I would rate the walk down here as easy. It's relatively flat, maybe 2 switchbacks. Very easy, very wide. And this is one you don't want to miss if you're up here in Georgia around the Helen area. So we enjoyed it, and come check it out. So we are just about back at the car. We're skirting the parking lot, coming up on an observation deck. One more chance to see the waterfall. Great hike. It's 1 mile each way. Wide trail, flat, maybe 2 switchbacks, and I would call it moderate to easy for those that want to tackle this thing. So it's a great waterfall, one of the best ones in Georgia that we have seen, and we'll certainly come back again. All right, last look at the fall before we get in the car.